Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. And in this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to get admin commands in Still a Brainrot for free. You can get access to the admin panel using a working code for Still a Brainrot Roblox. And this is going to save you a little bit of money because the admin panel is pretty expensive if you was to purchase it in game. I've managed to find a working Still a Brainrot Roblox code that you can use right now to get access to the admin commands panel for free. So before I show you guys how to go ahead and do this, please drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel because I do plan on making many more updated tutorials as and when they're needed. So let's not waste any more time and let's show you how to get admin commands in Still a Brainrot. So what you're going to want to do is just use your mobile phone internet browser. And it doesn't matter if you play Still a Brainrot on your PC. Just use your mobile to get your code and then you can access it, enter it into your game, and it's going to give you access to the admin panel. So use your mobile and go to www.coldcoupons.com. So just type it like this into your mobile phone, Cold Coupons. And what this is, guys, this is basically a codes website. Now, they have hundreds of different codes for games on here. They actually have a page dedicated to Still a Brainrot Roblox codes. So I'm just going to type that in the search bar. And this is the page here, guys. Now, what you're going to want to do is just scroll down on this page until you find the admin commands code. So here it is. Still a Brainrot, get access to the admin panel for free. And this is a simple code that you can enter into your game, and it is going to supply you with the admin commands for free. This is the easiest and quickest method, and of course it's completely free, which is awesome. So because these are limited codes, there's almost 1,000 of them, but they are limited. So you need to unlock your personal Still a Brainrot admin commands code. It says here your code is ready and it will be revealed in the box below after you complete a verification. So as you can see, guys, your admin commands code is locked and hidden. So this basically prevents people from stealing the codes. Now, I've already done this, so I can't do it again. But what you're going to want to do, guys, is just click on that blue button, get full code, and follow the instructions on the next screen. It's going to take you a few minutes. You have to complete a couple of tasks. Just make sure you do fully read the instructions for each. And once you do that, your Still a Brainrot Roblox code will say unlocked and it will be fully revealed in that box. Redeem it, go ahead and redeem it in game. And that is going to give you access to the admin commands panel, guys. So head on over to Cold Coupons, find the Roblox Still a Brainrot codes page and go ahead and select the admin commands code, guys. So make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.